Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn something new, a new product from SAP. So that is nothing but Cloud ALM, SAP Cloud ALM. So what is the full form of Cloud ALM? So that is Application Lifecycle Management. So this is a new offering that is being offered from SAP, from the labs of SAP. So SAP also has given us this opportunity to learn Cloud ALM from basics, like SAP Cloud ALM learning journey. So what are these journeys we can cover right now? That is SAP Cloud ALM overview. They are giving us all the recorded videos and everything from their website. We can come to this website support.sap.com. I will share this link in the description. And SAP Cloud ALM for implementation, SAP Cloud ALM for operations. So these two videos or these two offerings are already there, and this is the SAP Cloud ALM for operations is going to come soon. So we can click on this one, introducing SAP Cloud ALM for beginner for starting, because Cloud ALM is a very new product. So we can understand what is the main concept of Cloud ALM. Starting from here, introducing SAP Cloud ALM, and after that we can go down and we can check what are the content that they're offering in this video, or that is a 40 minutes of lesson that we can cover. So these are the topics basically, and they are also giving us a sample record of achievement, kind of a badge you can say. So that is introducing SAP Cloud ALM. That is a fundamental, foundational you can say badge. Okay. So now we can check that SAP Cloud ALM demo tenant. So I will share the link in the description as well. So SAP Cloud ALM public demo tenant, here you can come and you can check, you can play around with Cloud ALM. What is the new thing? What is the new product from SAP? SAP Cloud ALM Launchpad. So there are, for tenant access, please use one of the following demo users. So these are the demo users that has been incorporated inside the SAP Cloud ALM, and that has been provided by SAP itself. So for different uh, purposes, they have designed all those users, and their passwords are also widely available. You can just come to this website and you can check everything. So SAP Cloud ALM Launchpad, and they're the for implementation, these are the users. For operation, these are the users, and for business transformation center, this is the user, that is Tina. And cross capability user, so you can say Agatha, and the password is also there. So Agatha is a wide access user, that you can say super admin kind of a thing. So we are going to go inside Cloud LM, what is, how it looks like. And so this is a new offering from SAP. So the business who are going to use SAP for Rise, SAP with Rise, they're going to get this as a free product. So SAP Cloud LM Launchpad, I'm clicking on that. So it is a free offering, so maybe that's why it's taking too much time. But let's see. So give us a minute. So yeah, so I have already taken the user in a separate notepad. That is always better to use a notepad in this case, user and password management case, you can say. So we can directly log into SAP Cloud LM demo tenant. So this is SAP Fury Launchpad is opening up. That is directly from SAP's site, SAP's web server, you can say. Yeah, here we go. So you can see this is a cloud product. Obviously, this is a SaaS product from SAP. So SAP Cloud LM coming with all these functionalities and all these offerings that we can see now, right now, and it is continuously updating. Okay, so what we can see here that is a business transformation center. These are the tiles that you will get. This is the SAP Cloud ALM for implementation. For implementation, as per your project need, what are the things that you can do inside the Cloud ALM? You can come and check everything here. Okay. Then SAP Cloud ALM for operations. So in operations, there are business process monitoring, integration and exception monitoring, real user monitoring, synthetic user monitoring, everything you can check here. SAP Cloud ALM for service also. These are the service that service delivery center, issues and access management, actions management, and service explorer. And that is the main and